Alright, so this is the video for this problem. So, a rectangle with positive integer side lengths in centimeters has area of A and perimeter of P, and it's a rectangle. So first we can draw it out. So we have the area is A. Sorry. So the area is A, and the perimeter is P. And so we want to find what's not possible for the sum of the area and the perimeter. So we want to add them, and these are the choices. So it's a rectangle, so A and B. So the area, so A is A plus, sorry. So the area is AB, and then the perimeter is 2A plus 2B. So if we were to sum it up, we would have AB plus 2A plus 2B. And if we factored that, it would be A and then B, and then it's 2, so we have plus 2 and then plus 2. And then there's an extra of 4, so we have to minus the 4. And if we quickly check it, it is equal because this is AB, this is 4, and then the minus 4, and then the 2B, and then the 2A, and that matches this. So if we take a look at all the answer choices, so if we add like 4 to the answer choices, we would have like 104 and 104, then that would be uh it's like if we divide it by 2, basically what we're trying not to have is if we divide it by 2, then it'll be a prime, because if that happens, then a plus 2 and b plus 2, it wouldn't be possible because a prime can't a prime needs to have square roots, and we're given that it's positive integer side lengths. So if we divide this by 2, we would have 52. If we divide this one by 2, it's 106 divided by 2 is 53. And we can kind of just stop here because 53 is a prime, and so our answer would be 102. And one thing to note about this problem is that um, I took this problem from the AOS Wikipedia because the original problem, it had an issue, and so everybody got free points for this problem. And um, because it originally said positive side lengths instead of positive integer side lengths, and if and prime numbers would work with square roots. So yeah.